Welcome to 11 Registry Way in Fort Mitchell, Alabama. Set on over an acre, this tri-level home has it all. From the grand entryway with double staircase to the huge rec room upstairs, this floor plan is impressive, with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a little over 5,000 square feet. The main level features a fantastic open layout. The upgraded kitchen with granite counters, an island, and separate eat-in area overlooks the family room. A wet bar just off the formal dining area is perfect for mixing your favorite beverages while entertaining. This unbelievable master suite will quickly become your favorite place in the house. Unwind in your private retreat with a separate sitting area with fireplace, built-in desk area, and a large ensuite. Your own getaway right at home. In addition to the master suite, the second level features 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath, as well as another bedroom with private bathroom. Head on up to the 3rd level to the massive rec room. This space makes for a great playroom, media area, or more. Complete with the 5th bedroom and a full bath, this space would be great for guests or in-laws. The covered back patio overlooks the yard with fire pit and lots of room to play. Just a short walk to both the community playground and pool. This lot offers space and convenience. This is 11 Registry Way. Make sure you check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer specialist, Tom Maldonado, at 706-358-4064.